Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and environment. Log in on another device or browser so you know whether the problem is local. Once done, update the Instagram app and restart your phone, because many errors clear after a fresh start. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data to test network routing and open an incognito browser window. This helps separate cache or extension problems from account or server issues. You now dig into the middle steps. Reset network settings or switch to a different connection, because IP or DNS conflicts often produce that message. Next, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to remove corrupted files. After reinstall, regrant camera, storage, and network permissions so the app functions fully. Also inspect your account settings for temporary blocks, locked actions, or community guideline notices. Knowing whether Instagram restricted an action explains why the page is unavailable and points to the next move. You finish by trying Instagram Web on desktop. This often lets you access pages blocked on mobile, so copy the link and open it there. If the issue persists, report the problem from Settings Help Report a Problem, attach screenshots, and describe exact steps. Instagram prioritizes clear reports. Finally, if none of this helps, wait 24 to 72 hours for propagation, and consider account recovery only if you suspect a permanent block, because immediate repeated attempts can worsen temporary restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.